Welcome to the Herzl 121 supermarket. We pride ourselves on being a cornerstone of the Tel Aviv community, offering a wide range of products at the best affordable prices. Here's why you'll love shopping with us. Community-Centric Approach. We are deeply rooted in the Tel Aviv community, serving as more than just a supermarket. Our goal is to foster a sense of belonging and togetherness among residents. Extensive product range. From fresh produce to household essentials, we have everything you need under one roof. Our diverse selection ensures that you can find what you're looking for every time you visit. Quality at affordable